Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out freelancer.com and you're wondering, can you make money from this website? How does it work? How do you get signed up? How much money can you really make? And is it worth your time? Okay, now I'm going to review Freelancer, and then by the end you can decide whether or not you want to jump on this website and start offering your services to the world. Okay, now Freelancer is a freelance website. One of the oldest, has been around since 2010. Very, very good website. You can literally come here and offer your services if you have any skills that you want to offer for payment, right? So if you have skills in graphic design, in logo design, 3D design, web developer, maybe mobile app, maybe you're a freelance writer, you want to write blog articles for people, right? Maybe you have some internet marketing skills, you want to offer that. Maybe you're a search engine optimization expert. Maybe you're a data entry person. Maybe you don't even really need any skills. Data entry, anybody can do that, right? Virtual assistant, you don't really need any skills. You just need to offer your time to people all over the world that might want to leverage you as a virtual assistant, right? Even financial experts, lawyers, manufacturers, you get the idea. It's very, very cool. And the cool thing is you can be based anywhere in the world and you kind of offer your services online via their website to people that want to pay for your services, okay? And that's kind of how it works. It's a very legit, and it's been around for a very long time. And the cool thing is that you can get started for free. You can sign up with Freelancer. It doesn't cost any money, right? The only thing that they take is 3% of the total fee that you charge somebody for your service, okay? So for example, if you were to design a logo for someone and it costs $300, they would take 3% of the 300. That's kind of how it works. So, that's pretty fair. They're giving you a platform to basically advertise your services to people all over the world, and it can be any size. It could be a tiny project where you're helping someone to just do a little bit of data entry, or it could be a big project where you're helping someone to build an entire website out. It could be a one-time pay, it could be a monthly fee, it could be an ongoing fee, or it could be a per hour basis, right? So there's many different ways to make money on Freelancer, which is very, very cool. Okay, the other cool thing is that everything is done through their platform. It's very legit. Live chat, mobile app, really good professional platform that you can use if you have some skills and you want to start making some money freelancing on the internet. That's what's a cool thing about Freelancer. Now, here's the important thing to understand about Freelancer though, right? Because you are freelancing your work as a worker and you're being paid a certain amount of money for a project or by hour, you're limited to how much money you can earn because there's only so many hours in a day, right? So if you're helping someone to complete a project, you can only work maximum maybe 12 hours a day. So you can only earn the maximum of the time that you're putting in, okay? So it's just like working for someone offline. The only difference is you're freelancing to people all over the world, which is very cool in and of itself because you don't necessarily have to be hired by someone full-time and you don't have to be in an office, right? But you are still limited by the amount of hours that you put in. So it's a great way to get started earning money online. I mean, if you're doing well, you can earn anywhere from $1,000 to maybe $5,000 a month, depending on how experienced you are and what skill you're offering, right? So, are you a very experienced graphic designer or are you a beginner graphic designer? Are you a very experienced web developer or are you a, a beginner web developer? So it really depends on who you are, okay? But it's a great way to get started. But if you're like, well, Aaron, I want to make the big money. How do I do that? Right? Well, unfortunately, Freelancer won't be able to help you do that because this is just a freelance website. But if you would like to learn how to leverage the internet to generate potentially 10, 20, 30, 40, 50K a month, we're talking about multiple six figures a year, I would love to teach you how to do that. So I was able to do that using the internet. I quit my full-time job in April 2019. I use this specific business model and I use the internet and tools and software to leverage my time, okay? And that's something that you can't do as a freelancer, but use software to leverage your time so that you can earn way more income. And that's how I was able to 5 times my old salary online, and I now teach hundreds of students all over the world how to do exactly the same thing, okay? So depending on who you are, if you just want to freelance a little bit, get your skills out there, start to earn a little bit of income, Freelancer is a very cool website. But if you want to earn the big money online and you don't know how, but you would like to learn how, go ahead and register for my free 6-figure workshop by clicking the link below. I hope to see you there. I hope you enjoyed this review of Freelancer. All the best to you and speak to you soon.